Here we have your condense cup. A common alarm, not too common, but an alarm you can get is a high level condense alarm. So what happens is the condensed water produced by this machine will travel down into this cup and it will get taken away by the waste pipe out here. We also have two safety valves which overflow, you could say, into that cup. So if you ever have a high level condense alarm, the first thing to check is, are either of your safety valves passing into the cup? If so, contact your installer or contact Unipipe. Another thing we see quite often, it's very common, is there is a blockage on the plumber's waste pipe and the water backfills up the waste pipe back into the cup and it triggers your high level condense alarm. This guy here is your level monitor sensor. He sits on your cup. You've got the black section that sits inside. Bit hard to see the way the camera's orientated, but it sits in the cup. If the level of water reaches the sensor, it triggers an alarm. The whole idea is it stops producing condensed water as it's overflowing onto your floor because the plumber's waste pipe is blocked. So you have two things to really look for if you have a high level condense alarm. The first one to check is your safety valves. Look in, have a look. If you don't have your front cover off, there is a magnetic hatch along this section you can pop out just so you can look in and get a visual of what's going on. If you find your two safety valves aren't passing into the cup and you look in and it's dry, I'd recommend you get a 500ml bottle of water, pour it into the cup, and if you see the level of the cup rise to the point it's overflowing, there is a blockage on the waste pipe and you need to contact either your plumber or a drain surgeon or maintenance if you're in an apartment block.